What is self-interest? Okay. In regards to political foreign policies, self-interest is top priority. All right. So it's also national interest. Right. So this is once again how elites, those in governing offices, make decisions. All right. Political foreign policies. Right. Self-interest is top priority, also known as national interest. Right. Let me give you an example. When the United States decides that it's going to close its borders, right? That's self-interest, all right? Because there is an infectious virus that's highly contagious, dangerous, and we need to close the borders, make sure that it does not come in from neighboring countries, and on top of that, we need to quarantine ourselves, right? And determine how many civilians within our state have this virus so we can quarantine them, invest in medical research, studying, create a vaccination or a treatment or possibly even a cure, all right? So this is kind of all national interest, right? It's when you take interest on the better behalf of your sovereignty, of your state itself. Right? So, in regards to political foreign policies, self interest is top priority. If we to build on top of what I said on this example here, testing, if we need to run a test on every individual, any immigrant coming from another country, right, would also have to get tested too. Okay, we can prevent that extra test by closing off the borders and limiting immigration.